What's up, dudes? It's Molly. The name Lauren might mean something. Who's this message for? I did get a download. Oh, my computer just turned off. Scrapping the old thing. Gonna go with this bountiful, cool new idea. It's okay to start over. Who's this message for? Gemini and Taurus. Gemini and Taurus. Scrapping the old thing. Gonna go with this bountiful, cool new idea. It's okay to start over. All right, what's the message from the doves for Gemini and Taurus? Message for Gemini and Taurus. Look at how this landed. It's true, my keyboard is dusty and dirty. This is a working art studio. Love. Love conquers all. All right, what's the message from Island Time Wellness? Message for Gemini and Taurus? What's the message for Gemini and Taurus? Passion, insane chemistry, like each other equally, having fun. What's the message from Portals to the Mind for Gemini and Taurus? What's the message for Gemini and Taurus? Ooh. I am powerful. Okay, pop on your own. Message for Gemini and Taurus. I am strong. What's the emotion message for Gemini and Taurus? I lost myself for a little while. Okay, I hear look on the bottom of the deck. I wish I could take back my words. And one more. Final message for Gemini and Taurus. Final message. You and I were too young. Somebody might be coming back around. Somebody from somebody's past. What's the message from Divine Masculine energy? If it's not from their past in this life, it could be from their past in a past life. I want you to notice my growth. All right, pop on your own. Pop on your own. Gemini and Taurus. I want you to trust me. A message from Divine Feminine energy for Gemini and Taurus. Okay, right here might mean something. It is time to manifest. All right, there's your message. Scrapping the old thing. Gonna go with this bountiful, cool new idea. It's okay to start over. All right, there's your message.